So we're underway and the players really looking forward to this game. Good ball. Oh, confident defending. Suarez. And that will be the goalkeeper's ball then. He failed to connect with that tackle. That's good link-up play. Confident pass. And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it? Well, let's have a look at that one again. And their first shot of the day is off target. Launched upfield by the keeper. He's headed the ball forward. Suarez. He could be punished for that mistake. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. They'll have to take their chances. This isn't good enough. Passed well. Suarez. The defender regains and he's given possession away in a dangerous place. Finds his teammate. Good distribution. Great footwork there. Ooh, quality defending there. And that's a throw-in. Can he finish it? It's Suarez. A chance to have a better look here. The keeper hits the goal kick long. They've won the ball back again. That's nicely played. They've won it back. What a well-timed tackle. Oh, what a pass. It's Suarez. Oh, this could be costly. Let's take another look at that effort on goal. We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today. Forward from the keeper. Well cut out. And we're entering stoppage time now. Good ball. This game really hasn't ignited yet. Which team are going to step up?
Welcome to the world.
So, neck and neck at half-time. The next 45 minutes should prove decisive here. Suarez. Perfectly executed. They're just looking to keep the ball. That's good link-up play. Passed well. Not a good decision there. This could cost his team. The defender could be in trouble here. Won the ball. They're appealing, but he's onside. And the goalkeeper eases the pressure. That's a yellow card. He'll need to be careful now. And the coach is changing things around. Some of your players are getting tired. He should bring on a substitute. To do this, pause the game and enter team management. And here's a chance. That's an easy call. It's a goal kick. Well, it's a bit of a surprise we haven't had a goal yet, but plenty of shots. It's only a matter of time. Good distribution. Back towards the centre. Great technique. Finds his teammate. Great skill from this player. Oh, it's a clear chance. Good distribution from the keeper there. Good ball. Suarez. They're moving the ball about so well. This player is taking on the long shot. Good. Oh, that quick sub lets you make changes without stopping the game. Press the tick icon.